Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。And let's talk about colors. 好像没有很真正的去描述着所有的颜色，你知道吗？这个 Alice 喜欢什么颜色 ？What color do you like?
五色。
五色是黑色吗
？Yeah。
哦，听起来就乌索索啊，乌索索，对。
还有，
我还记得黑色。OK，you like black？OK，还有嘞？
粉色。
粉色，红色，对不对？
对。
我们来教一下好了。如果要问人家说你喜欢什么颜色？
较好马给色。
较好马给色。OK， 就是你喜欢什么颜色的？
对。
刚刚讲了红色 red， 粉，橙色好了，或者有人说橘色 orange， 长，然后黄色 yellow， 黄 OK， 绿色 green， 绿，
也有人会说强
OK， so there's two ways of saying green， 绿 or 强 and finally blue， 蓝 OK， and there's also purple or some people call it violet， 紫色紫，或者
会说貂彩色，就是很像茄子的那种颜色，紫色。貂彩是茄子。
So in Hakka, they actually have two sayings for purple as well. One is 紫 and then the other one, which describes the color of an eggplant, is
貂彩色。
貂彩色 OK， 再来还有灰色
Foy，
that's gray, all right? Or finally 最基本的两个颜色啦，有些人不觉得这是颜色，黑跟白啊。乌
啪黑边乌
对，把白脸打成黑脸了。Okay, how about in a different dialect? 海陆腔呢？乌。So let's go ahead and review these colors. Let's say you want to ask someone what color you like. 你喜欢什么颜色？
较好马给色。
较好马给色。And perhaps you can choose one out of these many colors. 红，粉 that's red. Orange 橙，长 Yellow 黄 Green 绿 or 强 Okay, two ways of saying it. 蓝 that's blue. Also purple 紫或
貂彩色
听起来很文雅的感觉哦。灰色 Gray Foy and finally 黑白就是 Vu and Pa. There you go. That's our practical Hakka for today.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.